Namaste. Welcome to today's videos where we talk about the how to save the time and reduce the costs on manual tasks as you grow your digital products. Whether you are selling digital products or online courses or hosting live webinars, automation can make big impact on your business. Today we are diving into automation by using Pabbly tool. Pabbly is a powerful platform that streamlines your business process. Today we are discussing whenever you are taking payments from the customer and you want to send the WhatsApp messages for building purpose. For that, we are setting the automation by using Pabbly. Today we start our workflow by setting a payment gateway. After setting the payment gateway, we have purchased Instamoji payment gateway. That's why we are using the Instamoji payment gateway. Whenever you are purchased the Instamoji gateway, after that you will get the API keys, and after that you have to come to the Pabbly. This is the first step. You have to take the trigger event. That is, whenever new sales happen in the Instamoji, we will get that details. You can check it. These are the details we will get it, like Instamoji payment ID and currency, and you will get the what course he is purchased the customer, and the status should be also this successful or better. Based on the filter condition, we are proceeding further in the workflow. After that, we will get the by using the payment ID, we are getting the payment details of the customer details. Based on that, we will create a update in the database based on those details. After that, we are doing the number format in the workflow. You can check it. After that, we are creating the enrolling date based on the purchase date of. We have the calculation of the course, like which course he has enrolled, and based on that, we are taking the enrolling date is the starting date, and based on the calculation, we are generating the expiry date for the course, whichever course. If you are selling the courses like digital courses, based on that, we can calculate and we can generate the expiry date. After that, we are sending the those details, payment details in the WhatsApp to the customer. After that, we are adding the details in the Google Sheet because for our reference, future reference. And after that, we are checking those details in the Zoho CRM because we are using the database as a Zoho CRM. For that, we are searching the details in the Zoho CRM with mobile phone and with the email. Based on that, we are updating those details. If we find the phone number, we are update those details by using the phone number in the Zoho CRM. Otherwise, we didn't find with the phone number. We if we find the phone number with the email, we will update with those details in the Zoho CRM. Otherwise, we didn't find with the phone and mobile number. We will create that date in the Zoho CRM, and we will update the leads in the Zoho CRM. You can check it, like we are inserting the or we are updating it based on those details. If you are using the database, or if you are using the like if you want to update your database, we can update by using the update in this. Instead of Zoho CRM, we will use your SQL database, and we will insert the data in your SQL database. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to for more tips automating your digital journey. If you have any questions, visit our website vijaytech.in or reach out via WhatsApp. In the description, the mobile number will be there. Drop the comment if you have any doubts in this workflow. If you need any help, contact us. We will set up this automation for you. Thanks for watching.